Hi, I will be showing you problem number 3 and 4 from practice exam 2 on chapter 4 and 5 in this video. V cube over W cube times 2u square v to the power negative 1 over w to the power negative 2, the whole thing to the exponent 3. You have to keep the first expression as is, which is v cube over w cube. For the second expression, you have a numerator and the denominator, everything to the power of 3. So you have to raise every expression on the numerator and every expression on the denominator to the exponent 3. So it is 2 cube u squared cube v to the power negative 1 cube, all divided by w to the power negative 2 to the power of 3. So it is v cube. If you collect all the terms on the numerator only, it is 2 cube, which is 8, 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. And u to the power, multiply the 2 and 3, which is 6. V to the power, multiply the negative 1 and the 3, which is negative 3, all divided by w cube. W to the power negative 2 to the power 3, multiply the negative 2 with the 3, which is w to the negative 6. Now to make sure that you have only positive terms, positive exponents. So wherever there is a negative exponent, you have to bring this down to positive exponent, to the denominator. So we'll always write the constant first, which is 8. Then it is v cube. If you combine the likes v cube and the v to the power negative 3, that will become v to the power 3 minus 3. Then we have u to the power 6 divided by w to the power 3, w to the power negative 6. When you add the exponents, it becomes 3 minus 6. So it is 8 v to the power 0, which is 1, u to the power 6 divided by w to the power negative 3. So it is 8 u to the power 6. W to the power negative 3 below can be brought to the numerator and be written as positive exponent. So it is 8 u to the power 6 w to the power 3. Problem number 4. Simplify 5x squared y cube plus x cube minus 6x cube y square minus 3x cube y square minus 7y square plus 4x cube. We are going to distribute the minus sign in the second term. So it is 5x squared y cube plus x cube minus 6x cube y square, which are the terms in the first parentheses. You keep them as they are. Distribute the minus sign over for the second term. So every positive will become negative and every negative will become positive. So negative 3x cube y square and negative makes it positive. So 7y square. Negative and positive will make it negative. That will become negative 4x cube. Now we have to combine the like terms. So it is x square y cube. There is no other x square y cube term. So keep it as is. Then x cube can be combined with the negative 4x cube. So when you say x cube, it is 1x cube minus 4x cube. So that will give us negative 3x cube. Then you combine the x cube y square with the x cube y square. So negative 6x cube y square minus 3x cube y square. So that will become negative 9x cube y square. Then leave the 7y square as is. So you cannot further simplify these expression. So this would be your answer. Hope this video helps.